If you wonder how you can charge your iPhone 16, then we've got actually few methods. The first one, you can do this for sure by using wireless charger. Take a look. You can even do this with the protective case, and you don't have to use any expensive charger from Samsung, Apple, or any other company. This is like $2 charger from Amazon, and it works fine with my iPhone 16. Take a look. You can also use this old method, the wired method, by using cable, and I'm using cable from my Samsung phone. So take a look. You can just connect the cable inside the USB-C port, and now your iPhone will start charging. And you can connect this second end of the cable into your PC, into your TV, monitor, into other smartphone, or for example into the charging brick. And also we don't have to use any original charging brick if you don't want to spend your money. If you want to save money, you can for sure use non-original charger. And if you wonder what kind of the charger, then on the box right here we can find this information that we should actually use from 4.5 to 23 watt charger. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.